student, welcome to online classes from Monbashir School. Today I am going to take English literature of class 2. Are you ready? So let's start. Student. What I have taught you last class? Chapter 1. What the name of that chapter 1? The Rainbow Butterfly. Right student? This chapter we had finished. Okay, now we'll proceed on to a new poem. Okay, so the name of the poem is The Swing. Today I am going to explain you the first para. There's 3 para. See, 1, 2 and 3. Right? First 4 line. What I am going to explain today? The first 4 line. Let's read today. You also read with me. Okay student? How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the sky, so blue. Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Right student? So what is the swing? Swing is the jhula, right? We all must gone to the park, right student? We have gone now. You also must have gone to the park. What we do there? Swinging. We sit in a swing, right? And what we do? Up and down, right? We can do by our feet also. But our feet, what we swing? Slowly. If someone push from the back, we go more high and come back again, right student? Very good. So student, how do you like to go up in the swing? Means when we sit in the swing, how you like to go? Up, down, or slowly, faster, right? Up in the air, so blue, means if you go more up, we will go high. That's the more air on the upper side, right? Up in the air, so blue. When you go up with the, what we do? We are more closer, we are away from the ground and closer to the sky, right? This blue is the sky. Right student? Up means when we swing and go up with the air, so what happened actually? We go up from the ground, right? And closer to the sky. Oh, I do think it's the pleasantest thing. According to the poet, the name of the poet is, see, R.L. Stevenson. According to the R.L. Stevenson, swinging is the pleasantest thing, beautiful thing, right? Pleasantest thing. Understood student? Ever a child can do. Child can also swing. If you go to the park, what you say? See, child, old, everyone sit on the swing, right? Child like to do more. Ever a child can do. Right student? Today I have only explained this 4 line in which the poet only explains how we like to sit on the swing. When we go up, above from the ground, closer to the sky, and it is the pleasant thing. What? Give us pleasure, happiness, right? On sitting on the swing. If ever a child can do. Right student? For today I have only explained this 4 para. See, you have to learn this 4 para also. See, how do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air, so blue. Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Okay student, today's your homework is to learn this 4 line. Okay student, this 4 line you have to learn by heart. Okay, till then wait for my next video. Remember the name of the poem The Swing, and written by the poet name is R.L. Stevenson. This is also your homework, to remember the name of the poet, R.L. Stevenson. Till then student, stay home, stay safe. Bye.